How to create personal portfolio in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on creating a personal portfolio using Canva. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up and designing a portfolio that showcases your skills, experience, and achievement. Now for today's video, we will talk about three types of portfolio that we are going to create. The first type of portfolio that we're going to talk about is the one-page portfolio. The second type is a portfolio presentation, which will have multiple pages to showcase your skills, achievement, and personal information. And the last type of portfolio we're going to check out is a portfolio website. A portfolio website will be an online website where other people can view your portfolio. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to click on the search bar over here and we're going to search in portfolio. We're going to click on enter. And then this will show us different templates of a single page portfolio that we can use and edit. For example, this one over here. This shows an image of the person, the name, and then the about me section. Below over here, we can see different similar templates that we can also use to create our own single page portfolio. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on customize this template. And we would be redirected to the editing page over here, and we would be able to change every components of this page. For example, we're going to move this element a bit to the left over here, make it on the top left. We could remove sections such as this, my favorite section over here. Let's delete the specific elements we are selecting right now. We could also remove the image of our person over here and then replace it with our own image. For example, we're going to search in the elements a model, just like that. And we're going to replace the image by simply dragging in our image into the frame. Now, if you don't like the frame that you have, you could simply click on delete and delete this once again. And you can click on elements once again and look over here on the left side. You would have multiple options of frames over here. You could have circle. You could have a circle frame over here. For example, we're going to drag this into our screen, just like that. And we could upload our image once again, just like that. And we would be able to have a circle frame. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust this section over here. We can make it, put it over here. We could change the layout of this one and adjust it over here. We could change the font size to a smaller size so we can fit all our content into this small page, just like that. And I suggest that you don't focus much about the information about yourself, but you should focus on information about your works and your achievements in your portfolio. Now we can copy this section over here. We'll click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V, just like that. You could add it a bit to the bottom. You can do this, just like that. And then we could put here our projects that we have done in the past, just like that. And you could choose frames. And we're going to select a frame that we like, for example, this one. And you would be able to upload photos of your different projects in the past so that you can showcase them in this one-page portfolio. Now, if you find a one-page portfolio very lacking and you are unable to put in all the information that you want to add, we're going to go back to home. And the next thing we're going to search for is a portfolio presentation. And we're going to select this option over here. And as you can see over here, we will be redirected once again to the template page of the different portfolios that are a presentation. For example, this one, we're going to click this. And as you can see, there are multiple pages for this portfolio. We're going to click on customize this template. And we would be redirected to the editing page once again. And we're going to click on apply all 10 pages. And as you can see over here on the bottom, we would have all the pages available for us. And we would be able to edit every single elements over here and make it into our own portfolio. For example, for the first page, this is where you would be putting in your photo. For example, this one once again. This is where you would put in your name by highlighting this and doing that. Just like that. We could put in our name there. put in your job title over here, put it there, and then your description about yourself, just like that. Put it over there. Now for the second page, you can change this into your own projects like what we did earlier. You could upload your project image over here, the different things you have worked on in the past. You could add your description about the specific projects over here, like the duration, what type of work did you do, things like that. You could add more information about yourself on the other pages, just like that. And if you don't need the other types of pages, you can simply click on the three dots over here and you can delete the specific page that you don't need. Or you can simply click on delete on your keyboard and it will automatically delete the specific page. Now, aside from this type of portfolio that you can use, you can also create a portfolio website. Now, to do that, we're going to go back to home and we're going to search in portfolio website. And we're going to select this option over here. Now, this will redirect us once again to the template page, but this time this is for portfolio website templates. And as you can see, just like always, we have a lot of options we can choose from. We're simply going to select the ones we like, for example, this one. And we're going to customize this template. And just like what we did earlier, you can edit your name, you can edit the things that you do, change the image that you want to add over here, just like that. You can add more information about yourself, add more description. And the only difference between this and the other types is that this is a complete website. You could see over here on the top right that we could publish this website and we would be able to post it online. For example, this one, we could publish it with a free domain, purchase a new domain, or use an existing domain. We're going to choose the free domain over here. We're going to click on continue. We could change our URL on this section. We could see the browser tab preview. We could also add a description for our website, just like that. We could add passwords. We could hide our website from search engines. And after doing that, we could click on publish. And as you can see, Canva is publishing our website right now. And just like that, our website is live. We can click on view website. And now we can open our portfolio as a website. I think the best type of portfolio that you can use and the most effective is a portfolio website because you would be able to get your free domain and you could simply send your link to your clients for them to check out your different works. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a personal portfolio in Canva. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.